Ever wondered what that big orange building is all about? Today, we're demystifying Home Depot, your go-to spot for all things home improvement. Think of Home Depot as a giant warehouse for everything you need to build, fix, or decorate your home. They're packed with building materials like wood and drywall, all sorts of tools from hammers to drills, large appliances like refrigerators and washers, and even plants and gardening supplies for your yard. It's not just a store, though. Home Depot also offers services. Need a new water heater installed? They can do that. Looking to rent a heavy-duty tool for a weekend project? Yep, they have a rental center. They even host workshops to teach you how to tackle common home projects yourself. So who shops there? Well, everyone. From the weekend warrior tackling a DIY project to professional contractors needing bulk supplies for big jobs, Home Depot caters to both homeowners and pros alike. It's truly a one-stop shop for creating the home of your dreams. In a nutshell, Home Depot is your massive, friendly neighborhood hardware store on steroids. It's where big projects begin and where you can find the inspiration and materials to make your home improvement visions a reality. Subscribe for more fun facts.